The 225 GP concrete floor polisher is a 2-speed machine that can operate at either 175 or 300 RPM. To install the diamond pad driver or other attachments, make sure the machine is unplugged from the power outlet. Lay the machine on its back so you have access to the clutch plate on the bottom of the machine. Line up the hole on the attachment with the clutch plate and install by turning counterclockwise until it locks in place. The machine is equipped with a water tank for use in wet applications. To fill the water tank, simply unscrew the lid and fill from the top. To operate the concrete floor polisher, plug the machine into a wall outlet. Lower the handle to hip or belt level and then lock the handle in place. Make sure the switch is in the low speed position. While holding the handle with both hands, push in and hold the safety switch and then squeeze the handle. Once the machine starts, you can release the safety switch. Control the direction of the machine by applying pressure in either an upward or downward direction. Pushing down on the handle slightly will move the machine to the left. Raising the handle slightly will move the machine to the right. To dispense water onto the floor, pull the valve lever attached to the water tank. As long as you are pulling on the lever, the valve is open. Once you release the lever, the valve will close. If this is your first time operating a floor machine, be aware that it takes a little practice to get accustomed to the startup torque. Our recommendation is to find an open area free of obstacles and practice starting the machine a few times. To polish concrete, follow these steps. First, prior to beginning any polishing process, all pre-existing topical sealers and coatings must be thoroughly removed from the floor. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for sealer or coating removal. Inspect the floor for any floor anchors, bolts, or other obstructions. Obstructions must be removed, ground flush to the floor surface, or recessed with a hammer and punch prior to beginning the polishing process. Failure to do so may damage the diamond discs, damage the floor, or create a potential safety hazard. Isolate the area to be polished to prevent pedestrian traffic. Step 1. Attach the repair diamond discs to the driver on the machine. Ensure that the hook and loop attachment is secure and that each diamond sits flush within the holder. Set the machine on high speed. Apply water to the floor. Polish the floor at a slow walking pace, stepping over 1/2 width of the machine with each pass. After the first pass is made, alternate the direction to create a crosshatch pattern, for example north-south followed by east-west. Then remove the concrete slurry from the floor. Step 2. You're going to replace the repaired diamond discs with the prep diamond discs, ensuring again that the hook and loop attachment is secure and that each diamond sits flush within the holder. All other settings and procedures are the same as in Step 1. Step 3 is a densifying treatment application. Using a low-pressure pump sprayer, apply hardcore densifying treatment to the floor at an approximate coverage rate of 350 square feet per gallon. Use a microfiber applicator to spread the product and ensure uniform coverage. Keep the floor surface wet for 20 to 30 minutes, reapplying product as necessary. Scrub the floor with clean water and vacuum up any remaining solution. In Step 4, attach the polished number 1 diamond discs to the driver on the machine. Ensure that the hook and loop attachment is secure and that each diamond sits flush within the holder. Set the machine on low speed. Apply some water to the floor. Follow the same polishing procedures as outlined in Step 1. Replace polished number 1 diamond discs with the polished number 2 diamond discs, repeating the same setting and procedures used with the previous diamonds. Between each of these polishing procedures, remove the concrete slurry. After the final polishing procedure, make sure the floor is cleaned by scrubbing with clean water. Step 5. Ensure that the floor is completely dry. Using a low-pressure pump sprayer, apply a thin, even coat of Top Shield hard floor protector to the floor at an approximate coverage rate of 4,000 square feet per gallon. Use a microfiber applicator to spread the product and ensure uniform coverage. Important: do not over-apply Top Shield hard floor protector. Allow the product to dry thoroughly, approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Repeat the process to apply a second coat of Top Shield hard floor protector. Step 6. Install a Power Polish HT pad or a 3000 grit diamond impregnated pad and burnish the floor with the machine set on the high speed setting. If you have any questions or comments regarding the Pioneer Eclipse concrete polishing system, please feel free to contact us at pioneereclipse.com.